Well, for more on the IPO market, I'm joined by Kathleen Smith of Renaissance Capital. Renaissance is an IPO investment firm specializing in researching, indexing, and investing in IPOs. Kathleen, thank you so much. I appreciate you joining us. All of this I want to put, though, in the context of what we've seen over the last several days with the unrest in Egypt, because it has just brought so much more volatility to the markets. Would that give those companies that are planning on IPOing any type of pause because of this volatility?
I think the volatility doesn't help, but I do observe that the human spirit marches on, even in the strife that's happening in Egypt. Just note how fundamentally important it is for humans to communicate, and the despair over the fact that Facebook is down, Twitter is down. And here in the IPO market, these are the kinds of IPOs that investors are interested in. They're the companies that help humans communicate. So we're seeing tremendous interest in these networking and social networking and mobile IPOs.
Right. I'm glad you brought that up, Kathleen, because I imagine those who want to invest in a Facebook, want to get into LinkedIn or Skype or whatnot, do they have to start pricing in some level of political risk in these stocks?
I think it's too early in the evolution of these companies for that. I think that Facebook has about something on the order of 600 million users, and that's global. So I think that they're just a little early in the evolution before they get to capture the entire world.
Right. Which is what they want eventually, world domination,
yes.
Kathy.
Yes.
Okay, then getting back to the IPOs themselves, despite what you're seeing, the types of IPOs, but what about the pipeline, though? As I mentioned earlier, could this get delayed, though, in any ways? Could we see some say, I want to just hang on and wait and see how the markets turn out?
I think that where you'll see delays are the more marginal. There are small IPOs, more marginal companies, yes, but we have come off of a tremendous ground zero in the IPO world, and there are many companies that need capital and that are anxious to tap the IPO market. So what we'll have are deals will get done, but they're going to get done at discounted prices.
At discounted prices?
Discounted. Because, and that happened all throughout 2010. In fact, that set the stage for investors to make good returns in IPOs for 2010, and we expect that to happen going forward this year in 2011.